Hi, I'm Jordan, and in this series I'll be hiking the Lycian Way, a 450-kilometre trail on the southwestern coast of Turkey. Littered with historical ancient sites and breathtaking views, I'll be here for a week, hiking and exploring the region. Morning here from Turkey, somewhere in the woods. Hopefully have another good day hiking. I did 20 miles yesterday and 10 the previous day, so hopefully get another 20 in. I've got about 100 left, or 100 kilometers left of the trail. And I've got about 6 days to do it, so more than enough time. Bit slow getting up today. It's just coming up to 9. Sunrise was at 10 to 7, so a little bit slow getting up. But gonna get packed up now, hit the road, and try and get those miles in, try and get another 20 in. That's the plan. So, see you on the road. Look at that for a view. Ooh, and those do look like rain clouds. I think we will be expecting some rain today. Just started raining. Well, I say raining, more drizzling, and the wind's picking up. Got a feeling not going to have the greatest weather today, but look at the views of this bad boy. Oh, thank God, it's not a big dog. Yeah, it's alright mate, you don't scare me. It's alright. Rain is slightly picking up, but nothing to deter me. But we've got a water source here, so put the kettle on. I've got a brew in the bag coffee. So, let you know how that goes. Done about 2 miles today in about 40 minutes. Yeah, and the rain is picking up. I don't want to have to put my rain stuff on. Especially the trousers. I hate the trousers. I hate both of them actually. I hate the raincoat and the trousers because you get all sticky in them. It's just horrible, but I might need to do it. Brew in the bag coffee. Let's have a taste test. Oh wow. Considerably better than instant coffee. Oh, yeah, that is good. Jesus. It's the best instant coffee I've ever had. I didn't think someone think of this before. Just put the coffee grains in a tea bag and boil it. Wow. Oh yeah, that's hitting the spot. Leaving the little fountain area now. I just talked with a Turkish babushka that came from down there somewhere. She was emptying the bins and she spoke to me in Turkish. Had no idea what she was saying. The only thing that we communicated to each other was English, Turkish, nothing else. Maybe I can shortcut through here. We found civilization. Surely one of these shops must be open, even though it's Sunday and 10:36 a.m. We shall see. Alright, success. That shop was open. So, got my bottle of water. That should last me for today. I've already had probably about 500 mils of water anyway, so things are looking up for old Jordanos. And the rain, I thought the Turkish rain wouldn't be very serious, and it's not, it's just drizzling. In the UK we don't even call this rain, this is like, it's an average day. Could you fit more people on a motorcycle? Probably not, that's the maximum. 4 people on a motorcycle. Jesus. And we want to go left here. Turkish people probably looking at me like, who's this plonker with this humongous backpack talking to a camera? But, you know. It is what it is. And we're going into the mountains today. Don't know if we're summiting that bad boy. In fact, I don't think we are. But we're going somewhere into the mountains in this vicinity. Another beautiful day in Turkey. It said, today is Sunday. It said Friday, Saturday, Sunday, raining all the time. It rained literally for about half an hour and it was drizzling. And now look at the blue skies. Might jinx myself for later, but take the winds where I can get them. So I think when I do reach this cafe at the end of the road, or restaurant. That's where I'll take a break. Half time. Hopefully that'll be about 7 or 8 miles in. And then big break there. Maybe charge the power bank. And then do the ascent. Wow. Oh, that would be a great place to take a dip. Crazy panoramas here. So I've made it to the cafe. Hello, kitty cat. Cafe, bar, restaurant. Let's go inside. Probably the only one here. Yeah, boy. So, just left the restaurant after some tuna salad and I forget what the other thing's called. It's like a very thin pastry with I think it had cheese and red pepper in it. Very nice. Also had an orange juice and a Turkish tea to finish it off. So feeling refreshed, ready to crank out some more miles. Just under 6 today so far. So ideally get another 9 in, something like that. I'm going to hazard a guess. I'm not going to see anyone until I get to the next village. Gwynek Ayalasi. Probably butchering that to hell, but look at that rock. Wow. Oh, bloody hell. Watch the road, Jordan. And it's starting to rain a bit more heavily. When I say heavily, it's not raining heavy at all, but the drizzle has picked up a bit. But I'm not worried just yet. But maybe I will be soon. Seems quite precarious, this bit. Yeah, this is pretty sketch, this part. Do not want to fall down there. Oh, take it slow, Jordan, take it slow. Trail marking telling us to go right. There's a trail marking there as well, but that seems like the obvious route. So I've come to this point here and that looks hella dangerous. So I think the reason there was a different set of trails there is this is obviously rockfall has come and it's no longer usable. So I think I've got to go down, go along and then go back up. All right. I mean, they could put a few more markings out. This one, right foot. Whoa. That was impossibly lucky that I managed to dodge the water there. Lady luck is on my side today, it seems. Now it's saying to go up, so we are going to go up. Whoa. Oh, that was a much harder way to go up. Oh well. Wow, look at this rock. Amazing. Look at the colour on that. Someone can tell me what this is. I have no idea. Absolutely beautiful though. Although, probably wasted a lot of time. That was a lot of fun. Quite enjoyed that. Very old bridge? I'm not even sure. My question is, how do you get the infrastructure here to build such things? Unless this is where a dirt road starts. I guess that would make sense. Yeah, no, four-wheel drive could not get on get down here. But how are you building that? Baffles me, absolutely baffles me. If anyone in Turkey is missing a sock, let me know. Just found it for you. Definitely brought this upon myself, but now it has started raining. This is rain. Not heavy rain, but this is actually raining now. And as you can expect, as soon as I put the jacket on, stopped raining. But I'll keep it on as long as I don't get too hot and sweaty. Whoa. Ow. Ah, we've made it to a dirt track. Okay, interesting. Whoa. Okay, update. It's quite wet, raining pretty hard. And there was no spots to go under trees. So eventually I got to a tree where I could get some cover. Everything is pretty wet. I've checked inside. Inside's okay. But I don't know what to do. Whether I should just stay put and wait for it to stop, but it doesn't look like it is going to stop. But it's just got a bit more gentler now. What my brain's telling me is just soldier on. It's only a bit of rain, Jordan. So I've soldiered on and it's just easing off now. Got about 3 miles to go. So take me about an hour. But there was a 10-minute period there, absolutely pelting it down. It's just subsiding now. Not gonna lie, I am absolutely shattered. About 14.5 miles in, over 1,000 meters of elevation today. Sadden up, sadden up. Wow. quite majestic place to say. Lycia. Abandoned farm. Getting slowly reclaimed by nature. Lots of abandoned houses in this village and farms. Imagine you construct your property wall like that. These are absolutely massive. Crazy. Well, there's no shortage of rock around here, that's for sure. Oh, there's even more there. Maybe it's just a standard for your upper class Lycian residents. Gonna put a big fuck off boulder wall on my property. It's probably what goes through their heads. Or it could be also to stop landslides. So there might be a practical purpose too. Another. This one's not even finished. They started building, didn't finish, and now it's just abandoned. Very strange. That one's just old and abandoned. Same thing was happening in Greece. People were moving out of the countryside to go to the city. It seems like the same phenomenon in Turkey. Hey Lycians, Lycian Way. Gotta get out the GoPro for this, for the content. Oh, that's moving, that's not very good. What? Oh, nice. Oh, man. Ah, okay. So we go down here, then we get to a road. Good. Fucking hell, this is steep. Good that my footwork's still good after 1100 meters of elevation and 15 miles. Oh, look, someone coming the other way. Hello. One last section to test my metal. This is not the safest, is it? Jesus Christ. Alright, watch your footing, Jordan. Made it. On the final home straight now. Toughest day by far. Mostly because of the elevation and the rain. And the tiredness. I'm tired from the previous days, the first two. Done less miles than yesterday. I'm going to end on 16. But yesterday I didn't have as much elevation. If it was 500 yesterday, it's 1,100 today. Absolutely beautiful there. Oh, there's another hiker. He looks like he's struggling more than me. So I think it's right here. Should be anyway. And I'm here. Doja camping. See if we can find someone. So I've cheated. Got a room for the night. It's only 1,000 lira for a room, which is 20 quid. With a bathroom and a shower. So, although I like to wild camp every day, every now and then you need to recenter yourself, get a bit of luxury in. Haven't been spending that much since I've been here, so should be fine. Absolutely insane colours there. Cooking dinner for tonight. Mac and cheese. Tuna olive oil. Nutritional yeast and a mystery stock bag.